All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Course. So, a quick one. Let me show you a very practical way to fade high fade, to cut high fade. Watch this video from beginning to the end if you really want to understand how to cut high fade without any difficulty. Do you understand? Make sure you share this video, let other people learn from this. Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I won't be putting out these things here for you to learn. Don't be stingy. Share this video and make sure you follow me for more, because you know the regret being part of HUC family. So today, the first thing you need to do now is to brush down the hair. Watch, I'm going to do it. If you're a beginner barber, just go and open shop. After watching this video, just go and open shop, brush it down. Make sure you brush it down to know how the hair texture is, how the hair grows. Can you see it? This is round cut. We normally call it Afro round cut, but they came up with a name called high fade. So it's high fade. Do you understand? So after you have brushed down the hair like this, finish. Sorry guys, this thing shake. After you have brushed down the hair, finish like this. You sterilize your clipper. I've done that already. You set your blade, join the blade together, let it be on normal skin level. Once you join it together, the first guideline is going to be on skin. Watch this video very well. Let me demonstrate it. Where is my pen? I want you to understand this thing now. All those things that other barbers are hiding from you, High Universal Court will show you free of charge. So the first guideline now, look at where this hair stop. Can you see it? So you are not going to let it to stop here. It's going to stop here so that the blending will make everything to rhyme very well. So the first guideline is going to stop here. Starting from here to here, you create the first guideline, which is going to be on skin. Then the second guideline is going to be on low cut level. Starting from here to here, this is your normal what? Normal low cut blade, which you open the blade like this, bring the gear down, you create the second guideline. After creating the second guideline, then you make use of your what? Your step one, which is going to be the last one that will give you the final blending. So let's dive into practical aspects now. Please share this video. Don't be stingy. Share this video. Let's learn from one another. Share this video. So let's start. I've joined the blade together. You hold your hand like this, texture it like this. Can you see it? Can you see what I'm doing? Please don't be stingy. Share this video. Can you see it? Make sure that your blade is very, very sharp and set it very well so that it will not cut your front stomach. This is HUC. Can you see what I'm doing? After you have created the first guideline, very sharp. I don't want this video to be too long. That's why you need to pay attention. Watch this video from beginning to the end. After watching this video, I bet you just go and practicalize it. You come and thank me. After you have created the first guideline, you know this is tutorial purpose. I just want to show you how the thing works, right? So I'm not going to the other side. After you have created the first guideline, the second guideline is going to be on low cut level. You bring the gear down like this, you open it, you follow it accordingly, texture it very well, texture it very, very well, follow it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Can you see it? Watch what I'm doing very well. After you have created the second guideline, remember, you know this person is very, very fair, so you are not going to quickly notice how the skin is. You put it on semi low cut. I do call it semi low cut. You not join the blade together finish. You join, you close it a bit, you remove the line. You can use the edge of the blade, you remove the line. I want you to watch this thing, to know this thing. Remember, I told you that barbering is very, very simple and it's very, very hard. It's very, very hard in the sense that when you don't have passion for it, it will be hard for you. But if you have passion for it, it's very, very simple. Before 3 days, you have started barbering. Once you have passion for something. So after you have done that finish, you use your what? Step one. Remember, this is semi low cut. Now you are going to use step one. You are going to open your blade. You put it on step one. See how I'm flicking it. flick it like this. Can you see it? Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see it? Please share this video. Don't be stingy, please. After this, you use your step 1.5. Can you see it? Step 1.5 to get the shape well. Can you see it? It's very, very simple. It's not hard. Follow it accordingly, step by step. You will get it. Can you see what I'm doing? Remember, hair differs. You see some people, their hair is naturally entangled. Do you understand? So if you fade it the way it normally fade, it will look as if it don't fade very well, but it's well fade. Do you understand? So after this now, you put your step 1 again, put it under low cut level, turn your hand like this, you blend it down like this. Make sure you're following me because I'm going to show you how to make use of your left hand, because I can see that it's giving a lot of people problem. Can you see it? Can you see it? Please share this video. Let other people benefit from this. Don't be stingy. After you have done it like this, finish. You still put it on, on normal low cut level, the way it is. Fade it up. Make sure you brush it. Fade it up. Make sure you brush it. I told you guys that my page is all about theory and practical, and everything I do here is raw. No editing of anything, no using filter to cover any mistake, no using dye to cover any mistake. If you see anywhere that I'm not doing it very well, please correct me. I'm down to earth to learn. Nobody is perfect. Do you understand? Nobody's a professional. No, we learn every day. Can you see it? It's very simple. After this, you carry your gear up. Let it be on what? Skin. Watch what I'm doing. Remember what I told you, that if everybody likes what you are doing, you are not going anywhere. You must have haters for you to go higher. So anybody that comes out and tell you that you don't know how to blend, you're blending, leave the person. Keep doing what you are doing. People that are benefiting from what you are doing. So far, a lot of some persons are benefiting, some are not benefiting. That means you are doing a great job. So after that, you remove your step 1, you put it on what? Low cut level. Bring the gel down. This is detailing. You blend it down. You blend it down like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see how clean and sweet this hair is now? So barbing is very, very simple. When you have passion for it, I bet you within 1 week you have started barbing. Once you have passion for it. But if you don't have passion for it, you are learning because of your neighbor or your friend is doing it. You may spend 100 years, nothing, shish, nothing. This is detailing now. Can you see it? We call it detailing. Make sure you take your time to detail the work very well. Can you see it? It's very, very simple. So whoever that tells you that barbing is hard, that person is lying to you. He's lying to those that have passion for it. Oh. But if you don't have passion for it, he's not lying to you. You understand? So this is what we call detailing. Can you see it? We're done. Very simple and short. After that, you trim it off like this. Can you see it? This is a perfect high fade. We can also call it round cut or Afro round cut. But we call it high fade. Can you see it? Is it not sweet and simple and short? Can you see it? Barbing is simple. Make sure you're following High Universal Cord. Go to my YouTube channel, my Facebook, my TikTok. Follow me. You'll never regret being part of this family. You'll never regret following me. No, I'm not making mouth. I'll teach you in a way that even if you don't know anything right from birth, you begin to know something. So we are done. Can you see it? It's very, very simple and short. You shape the hair, finish. So this is HUCI Universal Core, a place you learn anything you want to learn in a theory and practical way, in a way that even as you are learning it, you'll be smiling. Any question, please, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. And if you know that I got it right, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and share this video. Share this video. Let other people benefit from it. Share this video. Don't be stingy. One love.